cocktail, and for the way that people are saying that I'm looking in the movie is all thanks to Pooja, who's made me look so wonderful. And so I think it's with the help of Pooja and my trainer Yasmin Karachiwala who got me into that shape. I have personally seen the difference in my body. I've been with her for the last 2 years, and what she believes in is diet but healthy. It's not diet, it's not about starving. I think that's the biggest misconception. People think if you go on a diet to starve yourself, whereas she actually makes you eat more than you probably are eating every day. So keeping your likes and dislikes in mind, she sort of gives you a diet for her.
To begin with, Pooja is a very dear friend and also a great human being. The fact that she's taken this initiative in life, I think, is very encouraging to look after people, to just care about others. And that in itself speaks very highly of her. As a dietitian, she's very strict, and I need to run from everything I can do.
It was a wonderful combination of being strict and at the same time very protective of you. I think she takes very good care of your body, and being a Punjabi, it's extremely difficult to stay fit and thin. So it has to be a combination of exercise and of the right kind of eating. I think for me the biggest thing she's taught me is to eat every 2 hours and make that my mantra. So I follow that.
About Pooja, I know Pooja for a long time. In fact, I have consulted her earlier. Really nice to see the way the health culture is in and how people are taking to it. I think we all need to start living a very healthy life. In that manner, our lifespan would extend. I think you just feel great when you're healthy. It just shows you don't have to apply things on your hair, your body and your face. If you really eat healthy, it just shows your skin just glows.
Always, my one mantra is, it's only one. You have to eat, and only then can you be fit. Starvation is a concept that is outdated. And a principle that says you need to starve to be fit or starve to be thin is completely the reverse way of doing it the right way. So if you want to do it once and you want to do it the last time around, make sure you eat and feed your body so that your body is fit and as a side effect fit. I'd love to give it to anybody I'd love, because it's a book that teaches you how to love yourself and how to take care of yourself from within. The outside automatically grows. Minor health problems to major health problems have been outlined. What should you be doing to take care of your diet in such scenarios? How do you manage your entire day's diet according to your needs have been taught in the book. All of that has been very strongly explained in the book.